More than 50 kilometers out in the waters of Gulf Province is where the first offshore gas project of the country is located. The jackup drill is hoisted by Coastal Seeker and operated by developer Twinza Oil Limited. The project site was recently visited by a VIP delegation including Petroleum and Energy Minister Fabian Polk, Twinza's Chief Executive Officer Hugh Evans and other senior officers in the gas industry. Speaking after the visitation, Evans says the project has come a long way to have the gas fled.
We will see a project development granted at the end of March of next year, which could lead to first production at the end of 2020.
Known as the Pasca A4 drilling post, it will provide the first offshore oil and gas development infrastructure in the country. Natural gas liquids or NGLs in the form of condensate and LPG will be produced. Phase 1 consists of the initial production of natural gas, including condensate and LPG, with reinjection of dry gas ahead of Phase 2. During Phase 2, dry gas will be exported.
Project development would involve a field production platform, and some of that production would go into the domestic market. That's a very important part of our whole business development for us at Twinza.
The Gulf Provincial Government will be a key stakeholder of the project. Governor Chris Iveta says more dialogue will be hosted for the beneficiary of locals.
It certainly needs investment. My province needs all the help it can get, and I believe going forward, Twinza and myself and the national government will work in a meaningful way to bring this to a production in the time frame that he was outlined.
In the meantime, the national government has welcomed the investment by Twinza Oil Limited.
So once again, on behalf of the government, I would like to really thank Twinza for having the confidence to invest in an area, and this is the first offshore drilling, and it has proven to be successful, and we would continue to work closely.
Twinza Oil Limited is an Australian registered oil and gas company focused in the Asia Pacific region, specializing in upstream onshore and offshore operations. Jack Lapave Jr., National MTV News.